And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this episode of the X-T1 versus X-T3, I've had a quick look at face and eye tracking on the two cameras. So X-T1, X-T3. Now on the X-T1 you can only do face and eye tracking on single AF, not continuous. So to keep it fair, kept both cameras on the same setting. And it's pretty obvious the X-T3 face and eye tracking is a lot better than the X-T1. So to give the X-T1 a bit of a fighting chance, I've kept it very simple. Just set the camera up so on my top landing, and all I've done is walk backwards and forwards, side to side, crouching down, and videoed the back screen on both cameras. And I've also put the stills that were captured at the same time, just so you can see how the X-T1 can track and how much better the X-T3 is, but in a more realistic setting, just to give the X-T1 a bit of a chance. So I'll put them on the computer and put together a little sequence. So we'll show that next and then just see what our findings are. So that's our sequence of the actual test. And as you can see, the X-T1 does track face. Doesn't very often capture the eye. It's mainly the face it's getting hold of. I did the test with single point AF, zone AF and tracking eye AF on both cameras, and you can see that the X-T3 will capture the face and eye from a greater distance than the X-T1, but the X-T1 does have a good go, so I don't think it's complete waste of time using face tracking the X-T1 if the subject's pretty close to you. Yeah, it works. So that's my quick look at face and eye tracking on the X-T1 and the X-T3. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit the notification bell. Till next time, see you later.